Here is how to create a sliced text effect using Photoshop. First off, select your text tool and type in the text you want to use. Now, select the polygonal lasso tool and make a selection. Click on the mask icon and duplicate the text layer by clicking Ctrl J. Now invert the mask by clicking Ctrl I. Now select your move tool and move this layer a little bit to create that slashing effect. Now after this, create a new layer and make sure your foreground color is black. Select your brush tool and make sure you have a soft brush selected. Make sure opacity and flow is at 100 as well. And then click Alt and click in between these two layers to clip the empty layer to the below text. And then paint onto the layer. Make sure it's consistent. Now reduce the opacity on the black layer. I'm going with 60% opacity, and that's it. That's how you create a sliced text effect in Photoshop. If you made it to the end of this video, I appreciate you. Make sure to leave a like and also comment whatever is on your thoughts. And also, I post videos just like this every week, so if that's something you'll be into, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.